guys, good day. I'm going to South Island School. Saan ito kami nagpe-perform ng swimming lesson. So ito, walking para makatipid sa pamasahe. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys ang aking dinadaanan. So galing ako ng Ocean Park Station and then walking going there. So how many minutes to go? So eto guys, you see, explore. This is how to go there, going to South Island School. You see, may dumadaan naman bus kaso hindi na ako magantay, so I need to walk para mas mabilis kasi matagal yung bus. Thanks for watching. This is our really adventure. O diba, nag-walk. Ayan, sa kasagsagan ng init ng araw. May protection naman tayo eh. Ayan. Ayan, may kasama ako naglalakad din. Ayan. So maaga pa naman. So ang aming oras ay 1:45. Still have time to walk. So ayan, nakatipid ako ng pamasahe and then nakapag-exercise pa ako. O diba, sana kayo rin. Ayan, may taxi. Nakakahingal na oh. May narinig ako doon, stray dog. La 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 la. Enjoy lang natin ang lakad. Medyo malapit na. Medyo malapit na. So nilalakad lang namin to guys. Yan, pabalik. Pagkatapos ng aming lesson, naglalakad lang kami ng mga kasama ko. So ngayon wala akong nakasabay. So good luck to me. Alone walking. See? Look. Oh, this is our den. Oh, diba? Oh, diba? Ang galing. Thanks for watching. Ayan, magpapaalam na ako guys. Bye!